Hi, my name is Mushtaq and I'm with Mr. Yakut today in Chinese New Year MR event. We are celebrating the Chinese New Year and we are selling MR properties as well. So we got an event today. So we have properties all over Dubai with different developers. Price starting from almost 200,000 US dollars going up to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 10 million US dollars, 20 million US dollars. It depends whatever the client needs are. So we have very good properties for investment. We have apartments, we have townhouse villas, we have beachfront properties. We have a golf course properties, we have park facing properties, different type of properties. So that suits to the client's needs. Requirements. Yeah. So whatever is your inquiry and what type of property you are looking for, just let me know and I will give you several options. I will filter the options for you as per your requirements. Thank you so much.